Hi friends, in this video we will know why is Ambani buying Future Group. My name is Gyaneshwar Kumar and in this video we will know the same question why Ambani is buying Future Group. Though I doubt if the penetration of Reliance retail is that high. I didn't have independent way to verify these numbers. But for a moment, even if we give 10% opportunity of error, this is huge. Reliance Retail already has a significant market share in organized retail and e-commerce. The move will further cement Reliance's position as the top brick and mortar player across categories like groceries, fashion, and general merchandise. The strategies is same as what has been applied to Geo 4G. Make it sufficiently large and reduce the number of players in the game and then play to your strengths. Reliance is planning big. The deal is a good business model to maintain monopoly. Earlier, brands were competing. Now, all brands are merging together and they share profits. Future Group is in deep debt and they want to come out of it. And at the same time, Reliance with enough cash fund to expand their retail business. And that is the reason as well as snuffing out of a competitor. Known as the retail king, Biani has since then been looking at options, including stake sales in retail units and also putting up for sale the insurance joint venture Future Generali. Several other players like US based retail giant Amazon has evinced interest in Future Group, but a deal with Reliance offers a much comprehensive solution to Biani's debt problems, said a source. It is likely to be a complex transaction as first, Future Group will announce a scheme of arrangement to merge into one company. Reliance is most likely to completely buy out this combined entity in exchange for its shares, said one of the sources.